We'll guide you through how to export designs from Figma. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your Figma project that contains the design you want to export. Once you're in the project, select the frame or element you wish to export by clicking on it. Look to the right side of your screen in the Properties panel, and you'll see the Export section at the bottom. Click on the plus icon to add an export setting. You can choose the format you need, such as PNG, JPG, or SVG. If you're exporting a vector design, SVG is usually a great choice as it maintains scalability. Set the desired resolution or scale by adjusting the numbers next to the format. For example, if you need a higher resolution image, you might select 2x or 3x. Once you've configured the settings to your liking, click on the Export button. A Save dialog will appear, allowing you to choose where to save the file on your computer. You can also export multiple elements at once. To do this, hold down Shift and click on each element you want to include, then follow the same steps. Remember, exporting is a great way to share your designs with clients or team members who don't have access to Figma. It's also useful for integrating designs into other applications or presentations. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.